Daddy, you have to watch the box go down again. Dad. Daddy, watch the box go down again. I zoomed on it. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. It's a complete failure. Well, let's see. But did you know Ukraine is not in war with Russia? They just hate each other for one reason. Russia. Why did Russia hate Ukraine in the first place? Did you know Ukraine crossing sound like this? But it also goes. What does the 16,028 mean? Yards. ECM2. Wow. Name bound level crossing O.S. something SE 592190. Where are you, train? Hey, I can smell train. It's coming real fast.
I'll tell you what it is.
If it's a good one, don't tell me. Wait, tell me.
It is London to Beverley.
London to Beverley, London. I land into Beverley. So that means it'll come this way really fast. Because it's going to Beverley. BLV. Dad? Is that a sheep?
Yeah.
What? Where?
Don't know, I heard it. There we go. London to Beverley, it's got to be blue.
Yeah, it's got to be What other colour will it be? If it wasn't. Yeah, I got a feeling it's going to be blue. Here it is. If it's windy. Whoa!
Tesco?
Yeah! Tesco! 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 Oh, this is slow. Wow. Tesco!
It's a first, isn't it?
Yeah. Tesco!
I've never seen.
Is it double?
Well, Tesco, that's true.
Is it double? No. Tesco! Does that mean that's an heaven train? Heaven? That was wild. We gotta tell Mum that. We saw. Wait, are they on the way back? Ring her. Dad. Ring her on the way back. What are you doing? Because I want to keep it to a surprise for Mum. A surprise to tell her in car that we saw a rare one. Tesco! That was a rare train from I've never seen before. Was that class Tesco? Tesco. Was that class Tesco? Class Tesco. Tesco. Well, where's the next train? Man, why is it taking forever? But that was crazy to see a rare train like that appear. What the heck was that? Wait. Was that the London to Beverley then? Or was this it?
Sound like it could be this one, buddy. Sounds like a fast one.
If it was going that way,
You
it would
never
just
know.
crash into the train.
I bet it's had to slow down, don't you?
Yeah, but coming this way.
It's going quite slow, isn't it?
I have to tell it when it comes back. Hey, stop!
That's why it's going slow. Slow down. What's a small one? Slow down for Tesco.
Yeah, slow down for the Tesco.